Prime Day usually gets a lot of hype for having some of the best deals on garage door opener motors, and I will admit that I am one of them that likes to promote Prime Day for that specific reason. But in this video, I would like to encourage you to look at another option when considering a garage door opener motor that's best for your needs. Let's party.
Let's see what our local Lowe's has to offer.
Okay, so this is the Genie 7155. This is a good motor. This offers 2 remote transmitters, wireless, keypad, multifunction wall button, battery backup, belt drive. This is the one to get. And that's a pretty good price right there. It's a really good price. Oops. All right, that's a really good price right there. That is a great price for this motor. That is one of my favorite motors that you can get right now in the retail channel, and pretty much everything else is going to be standard. I wouldn't look at that. I'd look at this, and definitely one of these. But this one, whoa, I keep tripping things, don't I?
Okay, so let's see if our local Home Depot can do any better.
Unfortunately, there is just nothing good here. And this is typical. I mean, you find these busted up boxes. Man, if you could ask for an open box discount, that'd be pretty good. You know, this was used because they retaped this. So they probably took parts out of that. That is no good. What's going on, Home Depot? Of course, they have this wall mount motor. This happens to be the old version, the RJ070. There's a new updated version coming out that does not have the cable tension monitor, which is what I would look for. That's okay if you're just wanting to go cheap. Avoid these Signature Series, boo.
Now, as Prime Day is upon us for 2023, Amazon will be offering a number of deals for garage door opener motors that you can find in your area. Keep in mind that you want to make sure, especially if you're in a state or a specific area where you have to comply with certain state regulations, like in California, you have to have a battery backup garage door opener motor. Whatever deal you're getting, make sure that it fits within your needs. In addition to that, I'd like to highlight that Amazon will usually make a pretty good deal on their lower end motors. And sure, you can find the Genies, the Chamberlains, probably a few LiftMaster and other brands. Yet, I would consider looking at maybe something a little bit more high-end, just so that way you're able to get a little bit more bang for your buck. If you can find an older Chamberlain garage door opener motor, especially with all the bells and whistles of built-in LEDs, battery backup, and even a camera in it, it's a no-brainer. I think that's the way to go. My personal feeling is that the older Chamberlain products, the B970, the B1381, those specific motors had great build quality behind them. They were sturdier, and they also offer a really quiet operating experience. Now, there is a possibility that local retailers will want to compete against Amazon on Prime Day, and thus they'll offer a similar deal for a specific garage door opener motor that you're interested in, yet you won't have to worry about it being shipped in a couple of days. You can pick it up locally if you're not wanting to wait those 2 days, I believe, that Prime members usually get on deliveries. Nevertheless, I think it's a good option to check your local distributor, your local hardware store, of course, your local Home Depot or Lowe's, to be able to find, okay, what deal is comparable to this that Amazon is offering on Prime Day, and am I saving more money simply waiting for the 2-day shipping, or I'm here now, will they honor this price? Can I even get them to price match? Man, I think that's a win-win. Now, if I can encourage you to think a little bit, that the garage door opener motor that you want may not necessarily be the motor that you need. And I do feel that with the craze or all the rage behind wall mount garage door opener motors, those motors will fit specific needs. For example, if you want a higher lift to your garage door, a wall mount garage door opener motor would be perfect. Or if you want to get rid of that overhead garage door opener motor that's in the middle to put shelving, again, wall mount garage door opener motors are perfect for that. Now, what about finding a torsion spring deal? Well, honestly, I believe the torsion springs that you get off of Amazon can kind of be hit or miss. They may not necessarily fit your specific garage door needs. That's why I would be a little weary. I would definitely investigate first what my garage door needs, and then from there be able to centralize or focus on finding where I could get the best parts for my garage door. If it's through a local distributor, or perhaps in your state where there's not a lot of regulation, you're able to get it from a local hardware store, that might be the better option. Because whenever ordering springs off of any website, whether it's Amazon or any other company, quite frankly, I don't always think that customers are getting the right springs for their door, because I will go into a situation where they said, hey, you know what? I bought these springs on Amazon and my door is off balance, or it's too heavy, or it's too light, and there's just a number of variables. When thinking about buying torsion springs off of Amazon or for Prime Day, I would steer clear from it, and I would get the information first about your garage door, probably work with a local dealer to see if you can get a deal for them to install garage door springs. Again, that's my professional opinion, but of course, it's your home, it's your garage. You do what you want.